Today, the 11th of January 2020, the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization, with Robert Karjarin as the chairman, addressed to the media the few resolutions taken by the COMSO to further strengthen the ILP implementation in the state, stating that the objectives of the Hill State was to rule and govern themselves as per their own genuine traditional laws. But even after 49 years, issues like ILP implementations have not been fulfilled by the central government. Boundary disputes is still a concern. Most of the people are not happy on land swap deal with Bangladesh. Pending issue like Khasi language inclusion in the 8th schedule, amendment to the 6th schedule and others. The COMSO expresses they are of the opinion to push forward the voice of the 60 MLAs who are elected by the people to carry the message of the whole state to the central government. Furthermore, the ILP issue should not be a burden on the state government. The delegation of 60 MLA is more stronger than the delegation of 2 state legislators. And that is why a delegation of 60 will have more impact than a delegation of 1 or 2 MLAs. The COMSO hope that the state government, under the leadership of the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, and the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong and Mukul Sangma, as the opposition leader, will lead the delegation of all the MLAs to Delhi, and hoping that with this kind of delegation, the Union Home Ministry will finally honor the aspiration of the people of the state.
Most of the people are not happy with the land swap deal and also with the 100th amendment to the Constitution of India, which demarcated the Indian-Bangladesh boundary. We still have pending issue like the inclusion of Khasi and Garo language into the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. What will happen to the 6th schedule and what will happen to the amendment to the 6th schedule of India is still in dilemma, because if you see the proposal of the standing committee on the amendment to the 6th schedule, they even propose to to have some sort of institution which we are not happy, like a village council, municipal council, which we feel that it will do it away the traditional political system. So we feel that this year's on the Meghalaya Day, it's better we raise this important issue. We don't want to see that if government go to Delhi, opposition will criticize, or if opposition go to Delhi, government will criticize. We want to see that this resolution, as it was unanimously passed, all the legislators should jointly carry the burden to voice the concern of the people to the state of Meghalaya. It's not that we dictate or what, but we are of that opinion. So if Pak Preston Tinsong, the Honorable Deputy CM, feel that a delegation of 4-5 MLA has more impact than a delegation of 60 MLA, then we leave his wisdom. But I think by our logic, the delegation of all MLA has more impact. It shows the aggressiveness of not just the government, but the aggressiveness of the legislator as a whole, that yes, we are serious on ILP. Manipur get it as a gift. I think we should get it as a right, because we have fought for it for too long, and I feel that the Union government will honor it.